Welcome to tutorial number 3 on the tree failure map. In this video, we're going to show you how to conduct a risk assessment within the application. Start by logging in, then go to the tree map page. Locate the tree you want to assess using the Locate Me button or typing the location into the search box. Click on the tree once you have found it, and then click View Details above the icon or View Full Details on the right-hand panel. This will open up the Tree Details page. To risk assess a tree, click the Add Risk Assessment button. This will bring the user to a new risk assessment page. Each individual tree can have multiple risk assessments. This allows users to assess the risk of multiple tree parts during the same visit. The first field displayed on the risk assessment creation page is the auto-generated or user-defined identifier for the tree. This field will be pre-populated with the ID number of the tree being assessed. 4 other fields will be pre-populated. The first is the inspection time frame, or the period of time in which you will assess the likelihood of failure, diameter at breast height, and the tree height, all of which can be changed. Next, you can enter the part of concern. This is the tree part that's being assessed. Next, choose the defect, or the visible imperfection or weakness in the part of concern. Next is the likelihood of impact, the likelihood of failure, and the consequences of failure. All 3 of these are drop-down fields. Each factor uses the ISA Tree Risk BMP categories. Users can click on the View Category Definition hyperlink under each drop-down field to view the definitions for these terms. Read the definitions, then select the likelihood of impact, likelihood of failure, and consequences of failure. After this, the risk rating will be automatically generated. The user can then select the recommended mitigation action that should be taken. Just like the risk assessment terms, definitions for various mitigation measures are available by clicking the hyperlink below the drop-down menu. Any notes on assessment limitations or considerations that are not covered in the other entry fields can be recorded in the Notes field. Once the risk assessment data is filled out and any photos are attached, the user can save their work by clicking the green Create button. This sends the user to the Tree Details page, and the risk assessment will appear under the Open Risk Assessments section. Each assessment is labeled according to the part and defect of concern. The risk rating, likelihood of failure, and likelihood of impact, consequences of failure, mitigation recommendations, assessment time frame are all displayed as part of this record. And that is how you add a risk assessment. Remember, you can add multiple assessments per tree, or you can go back and add many different assessments over time. Thank you for watching this video, and please check out our other tutorials on the tree failure map.